Hello everyone. As we all know, water is one of the prime elements responsible for existence of life on earth. Unfortunately, 45 countries worldwide are experiencing water shortage, out of which 29 countries are facing extreme water shortage. Groundwater has been depleting due to overuse and it does not get restored due to reduced vegetation. Sadhguru Vasudev, a spiritual leader from South India, had organized a rally for rivers in 2017 which proposed the introduction of a policy to restore a kilometer-wide vegetation around all the major rivers of India. Their website, whose link is in the description, cites the scientific evidence behind how this will help in restoring groundwater and replenishing river water. If all goes well and the policy gets enforced, its implementation will still be a long and tedious process. To fast forward this process, inspired by the solution in Myanmar provided by Biocarbon Engineering Company, we plan to introduce drones for planting trees. Although, due to differences in geography, scale and other conditions, we will have to make several modifications in the approach. For example, the first level of terrain analysis in our solution will have to be done on a very large scale using satellite images of the ground to identify regions where tree planting is required. Once a small region has been finalized, the remaining process will be very similar. In the first step, mapping drones will be used to assess the conditions and to decide the right tree species to plant. And in the next step, low-flying drones will plant the seeds. But there will be differences. For example, we will have to recognize publicly and privately owned lands because different seeds will be planted accordingly. This process will greatly accelerate afforestation and save a lot of government money by reducing labor costs. Farmers' income will grow 3 to 4 fold within a span of 5 years, hence attenuating problems like hunger and poverty as well. Apart from that, this will also broaden the scope of this tree planting project from just major rivers to all freshwater bodies because now we will be leveraging the power of technology. Thank you.